What's the meaning of beachwear? Beachwear. Beachwear.
Beachwear. Beachwear. Beachwear refers to clothing that is specifically designed for wear at the beach or while participating in water-related activities. It typically includes swimsuits, cover-ups, sandals, and sun hats. The purpose of beachwear is to provide comfort, protection from the sun, and style while enjoying beach activities such as swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. Beachwear can be made from a variety of materials including cotton, spandex, nylon, and polyester. Styles range from classic one-piece swimsuits and board shorts to modern bikinis and rash guards. Whatever the style, good beachwear should be lightweight, quick-drying, and able to withstand exposure to salt water and sunlight.